The next question is, how do humans use their characteristics in everyday living? Humans use their both existing good and bad characteristics to survive and making their everyday living. Many times they fail to understand their own good and bad characteristics. As a result, they can't balance and integrate their lives with them to let the environment work for them. Unhappiness, frustration, and sadness start kicking into their mind. They simply don't want to think and stay positive towards anyone or anything. Study deep, analyze, and recognize your good and bad characteristics of life. Work in baby steps every single day to adopt good characteristics and correct your own bad characteristics that are creating unhappiness, frustration, and sadness in your personal and professional life. Also, you may invest a little time in mastering your good characteristics that is impacting and making the difference to the life of others. Always remember, you can only control your actions, but not the results. Be the best version of who you can be for you and others around you. Keep in mind that there is no way to please everyone. You don't have any control over anyone or anything. You can certainly control your mind to do what you always want to do and progress in life. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.